In this video, I'll be explaining you guys the hidden philosophies of eminence in the shadow and teaching you guys how to use it in real life for self-improvement. So let's get started. So first, let's take a look at eminence in the shadow from an absurdist perspective by Albert Camus. So absurdism is a philosophical theory which states that the universe is irrational and meaningless. Like the things that happen in Eminence in the Shadow, we can see how Sid Kageno tries out all sorts of absurd things and makes a lot of absurd choices, such as being a background character while doing his true work from the shadows, and somehow everything just goes according to his plan. It just happens in this show. Also, another key tenet of the absurdist theory is that we are free and can pursue anything that we want to since the whole world is absurd anyways, which again, exactly what Sid Kageno does. Now, let's take a look at it from a nihilistic perspective, more specifically, optimistic nihilism. According to it, since nothing matters anyway, even the consequences of our actions don't, so why not just do whatever you want and create your own meaning? Again, it's exactly what Sid Kageno does. He's literally creating his own meaning of life by becoming a shadow, having his own harem, and doing whatever comes to his mind spontaneously and through constant improvising of his techniques. I just love this perspective of looking at things because of how you can just look at upsetting concepts with a more accepting attitude, like how Sid Kageno does. Other people in this show just keep suffering from all the things that are happening, but this guy just doesn't give a damn because he knows that none of it matters anyway, so he continues to do his own thing and actually succeeds at that. So here are 10 life lessons from this anime that I'd like to share with you. Number 1, your life doesn't have a meaning, so create one. Number 2, positive things don't matter. But the same goes for the negatives. Number 3, so train your brain to focus only on the positives while declaring the negatives as meaningless. Number 4, be calm and cool no matter how tense the situation is. Number 5, never be afraid of trying new things. Number 6, be free. Number 7, use the power of controlled chaos. Number 8, don't regret not doing what you wanted to do in your deathbed. Number 9, focus only on what you can control. And number 10, there are no facts, only interpretations. Thanks for watching.